is my great pleasure to welcome you to the Caritas 40th Anniversary Harmony Ball.
We're really proud to be able to be hosting our gala tonight, which brings in partners, community partners, friends of Caritas from everywhere in order to celebrate the work we've done. This year's our 40th year anniversary, so we're proudly celebrating being around for 40 years, but getting to celebrate that with so many people that have been so passionate in helping us get to this big milestone mark.
Don't go chasing waterfalls.
It's overwhelming for me thinking of what we've gone through over the years, and to stand up here tonight and look around is it's rather emotional. So I want to thank each and every one of you for being here tonight and for this community coming together to support and believe in what Caritas stands for, and it's helping the community.
The question we should be asking is not why the addiction, but why the pain. I firmly believe that the power of community, brotherhood, and time continue to help me find and treat that pain. And that is exactly why Caritas. Thank you.